Makita XT505 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 5PC Combo Kit 3.0 and BL1830B-2 18V LXT Lithium-Ion 3.0 battery. Product 1, Variable 2-speed 1/2 inches hammer driver drill, 0-600 and 0-1-900 RPM. With Makita built 4-pole motor delivers 480 pounds of max torque, weighs only 3.4 pounds with battery. Product 1, Variable speed impact driver, 0-2-900 RPM and 0-3-500 IPM, provides 460 pounds of max torque, weighs only 2.8 pounds with battery. Product 1, Variable speed Recipro saw delivers 0-800 strokes per minute with a 1 1/4 inches stroke, weighs 8.1 pounds with battery. Product 1, 6.5 inches circular saw delivers 700 RPM for faster cutting and ripping through wood, weighs only 7.3 pounds. With battery? Tool count, 5. Product 2, Integrated L.E.D battery charge level indicator allows user to monitor battery charge. Product 2, reaches full charge in 30 minutes or less. Product 2, compatible only with star protection tools, indicated by the star symbol and/or yellow battery receiver under the tool. Product 2, battery delivers consistent power and run time in extreme temperatures, even in winter 4 degrees F 20 degrees C. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.